Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. This is Asadullah Bhatti, the anchor person of this special program, and it is we are fortunate this, that there is a very young lady and very interesting, highly qualified lady is respected from Belarus. She is our respected guest in Media Focus channel. So I welcome you, madam, in this studio. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Thank you very much. You spare some time for us and you are coming here in the Media Focus. I once again thank you very much. So please tell me about your visit of Pakistan, because you are since last 10 days, 9 days there, and 10 days your visit program in Pakistan. So how do you spend your last 9 days?
First of all, thank you so much for this invitation and for this opportunity to share my opinion about Pakistan.
You are most welcome.
For sure, I have so many good emotions about this journey.
You told me before recording that you spent some time there, Iskardu, northern areas of the Pakistan. How do you feel there, their culture and traditions and hospitality?
The main thing I need to mention about Pakistan, if I am talking about my impressions about Pakistan, the main thing I need to mention is hospitality of Pakistani people. I'm really so surprised. I'm so impressed. Thank you so much.
Very good. Acha, do you think that the Pakistan is a suitable country for the tourism way?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And you have seen such a very good thing. Please tell our audience regarding your visit in different cities. Where you saw which things there, and there's some food of Pakistan.
Yeah, every day of my of my Pakistani journey is full of Pakistani food. So I really liked it because food is not traditional dishes. Traditional food is it's not just food. It's much more than that's a part of culture.
Traditions, customs.
Yes.
You like all these things?
Yes.
So one question from your country. Tell about briefly about the Belarus, how your country is, and which population, how much population there, and which thing is very favorite specialty of your country.
So Republic of Belarus is a small but wonderful country in the center of Europe. And yeah, sure, for a reason we have so rich history and culture. We have also so many historical places to visit as castles.
So some tourists came from the world in your country?
No, for you see, like for people from Asian countries, Belarus must be attractive.
Must be attractive.
Because of climate, because of historical sightseeings that are mostly European.
Though it is, means the Belarus is a rich country in history.
Yeah.
And historical, it is a very renowned country. So it is very honor for us. So Miss, you tell me that today you are coming in Karachi. Okay, Karachi is the main city, big city of the country of Pakistan. So here, what you have seen here
In Karachi?
in Karachi?
That's an impressive city with magnificent atmosphere because every person can find each sightseeing, each entertainment for itself. Historical heritage, food, traditional food, nature, and that's all about Karachi.
You know that Pakistan is agriculture country, and at least 70% people are living in the rural areas of the Pakistan. They are cultivate the cotton and other things. So our textile industry is also very important here in Pakistan. So, do you think you have seen some textile industry and other things? So, tell us, our viewers.
I was really pleasantly surprised by the state of textile industry in Pakistan. I am pretty sure that Pakistan has a great future in this field in international market, with a statement that all of these products are made in Pakistan by Pakistanis by Pakistani designers. So
So, you think that our designs and our clothes and our textile industry is very impressive and very have some chances to boost up any more?
absolutely sure that Pakistan is a player in international market. Just you need to put lights on your name.
And our productions like clothes, towels, and other items, ready-made garments also.
Sure, because you have such impressive history in this field.
Textile field.
Yes, you have great experience in this field. So the only thing you need, in my opinion, just you need to state your name, to state name of your designers.
Brand
in
names
the
of
internet.
Pakistan.
Yes, that everyone knows it's made in Pakistan.
MashaAllah. Is there any chance in if we export our commodities of textile and to Belarus? Is there any chances of their business there?
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Mostly we import products from China. It's about the price and quality.
Oh.
You see, but Pakistan.
Quality is very good.
Yes.
And
Absolutely.
people
And,
like the quality of the Pakistani textile.
yeah.
In the end, give some message about how do you feel, how do you see the people of Pakistan?
Polite, hospitable, intelligent, kind.
If somebody give you second chance that you want go to Pakistan, you will be happy to come in our country again.
For sure, no doubt.
Thank you very much. You are coming here, my studio. So, ladies and gentlemen, this was with our respected guest from Belarus. So, we will meet you again in inshallah in other best personality. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.